Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Pro. I'm Alex, and today we're going to learn one of the most useful English skills you can have, customer service English. Imagine you're working in a store, a restaurant, a hotel, a bank, or even answering customer calls from home. Every day you'll need to greet customers, answer questions, solve problems, and stay polite even when the customer is upset. The good news is that you don't need difficult English. Native speakers use simple, polite, and natural expressions. In today's lesson, I'll teach you the exact phrases you can use in real-life customer service situations. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to welcome customers, offer help, answer questions, apologize professionally, solve complaints, and end every conversation politely. So let's get started. Greeting customers. The first impression is very important. Always greet the customer with a smile and a friendly voice. Listen to these natural greetings. Good morning. Welcome. Hello, how can I help you today? Hi there, what can I do for you? Welcome. Let me know if you need anything. Notice that we don't say only hello. Instead, we continue with an offer to help. For example, hello, how can I help you today? Let's practice together. Repeat after me. How can I help you today? Again, how can I help you today? Excellent. Offering help. After greeting the customer, ask how you can help. Here are some common expressions. How may I help you? What are you looking for today? Can I help you find something? Is there anything I can assist you with? Now, imagine you're working in a clothing store. Customer, hi. You, hello, welcome. What are you looking for today? Customer, I'm looking for a black jacket. You, certainly. Let me show you our collection. Simple, natural, and professional. Showing products. Now let's imagine the customer wants to see a product. Useful phrases include, this way please. It's right over here. We have several options. This is one of our best sellers. This one is very popular. The blue one is currently on sale. Let's hear a conversation. Customer, I'm looking for wireless headphones. Alex, certainly, follow me, they're right over here. Customer, which one do you recommend? Alex, this model is one of our best sellers. It has excellent sound quality and a long battery life. Customer, that sounds great. Alex, would you like to try them? Did you notice how polite everything sounds? That's exactly how native customer service representatives speak. Explaining prices. Customers often ask about prices. Here are some useful responses. It costs $75. It's currently on sale. You'll receive a 20% discount. The price includes tax. Shipping is free. Let's practice. Customer, how much is this? Alex, it costs $49. Customer, is it on sale? Alex, yes, it's 20% off this week. Very natural. Answering common questions. Customers ask questions every day. Let's learn some useful answers. Yes, it's available. Unfortunately, it's out of stock. We'll have more next week. You can order it online. Let me check for you. Imagine this conversation. Customer, do you have this in a larger size? Alex, let me check. A few seconds later, yes, we have one in large. Customer, perfect. Alex, I'll bring it for you. Short, polite, and professional. Asking customers questions. Sometimes you need more information. Here are useful questions. What size do you need? What color would you prefer? Would you like cash or card? May I have your name, please? Could you repeat that? Could you spell your name? Let's practice together. What size are you looking for? Again? What size are you looking for? Great job. Listening carefully. Good customer service starts with good listening. Instead of interrupting the customer, use these expressions. I understand. I see. Absolutely. Of course. Thanks for letting me know. These phrases show that you're paying attention. For example, customer, my order hasn't arrived. Alex, I understand. Let me check that for you. Customer, thank you. Alex, my pleasure. Notice how calm and friendly the conversation feels. Customer Service English, Easy English Conversation for Beginners, Part 2. Now that you've learned how to greet customers, offer help, and answer common questions, let's move on to one of the most important customer service skills, handling problems professionally. Remember, customers don't expect perfection. They expect you to stay calm, listen carefully, and try to help. Let's learn exactly how native English speakers do that. Apologizing professionally. Sometimes something goes wrong. Maybe the wrong product was delivered. Maybe an order is late. Maybe the customer isn't happy. The first thing you should do is apologize politely. Here are some natural expressions. I'm sorry about that. I sincerely apologize. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I understand your frustration. Thank you for your patience. Notice something important. Don't panic. Don't argue. Just stay calm and speak politely. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Again. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Excellent. Now another one. Thank you for your patience. One more time. Thank you for your patience. Perfect. Solving customer problems. After apologizing, the next step is offering a solution. Here are some useful phrases. Let me fix that for you. I'll take care of it. Let me see what I can do. I'll check with my manager. We'll resolve this as quickly as possible. I can offer you a replacement. I can process a refund. Let's hear an example. Customer, I received the wrong item. Alex, I'm very sorry about that. Let me fix it for you. Customer, thank you. Alex, I'll send the correct item today. Customer, great. Alex, you should receive it within 2 business days. Simple, professional, friendly. When you don't know the answer. No one knows everything. If you're unsure, never guess. Instead, say something like this. Let me check for you. One moment, please. I'll find out. Let me ask my supervisor. I'll be right back. These expressions sound confident and professional. Example. Customer, what time does your warranty expire? Alex, that's a great question. Let me check for you. This sounds much better than saying, I don't know. Dealing with angry customers. Sometimes customers become upset. Your job is not to argue. Your job is to stay calm. Use a slow voice. Listen carefully. Show empathy. Here are some excellent phrases. I completely understand. I can understand why you're upset. Let's see how we can solve this. I appreciate your patience. I'm here to help. Let's watch a conversation. Customer, this is the second time this has happened. Alex, I'm really sorry to hear that. Customer, this is unacceptable. Alex, I completely understand your frustration. Customer, so what are you going to do? Alex, let me fix this right away. Customer, okay? Alex, I'll replace the item at no extra cost. Customer, thank you. Notice something. Alex never argues. He never blames the customer. He stays calm. That's excellent customer service. Phone customer service. Now imagine you're answering customer calls. The language is slightly different. Let's learn the most common expressions. Thank you for calling. How may I assist you today? May I have your order number? Could you please hold for a moment? Thanks for waiting. I appreciate your patience. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Let's hear a complete phone conversation. Alex, thank you for calling Bright Tech Support. This is Alex speaking. How may I help you today? Customer, my laptop won't turn on. Alex, I'm sorry to hear that. Customer, I need it for work. Alex, I understand. May I have your order number? Customer, it's 921. Alex, thank you. Alex, I found your order. Customer, great. Alex, your device is still under warranty. Customer, that's good. Alex, we'll send you a replacement immediately. Customer, thank you so much. Alex, my pleasure. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Customer, no. Alex, thank you for calling. Have a wonderful day. That's exactly how professional customer support sounds. Hotel customer service. Now let's visit a hotel. Guest, hello, I'd like to check in. Alex, welcome. May I have your name, please? Guest, it's Michael Brown. Alex, thank you, Mr. Brown. Is breakfast included? Yes, breakfast is included and is served from 7 to 10 every morning. Perfect. Here's your room key. Thank you. Enjoy your stay. Short, friendly, professional. Restaurant customer service. Hi. Welcome. Table for two? Yes, please. Right this way. Can I see the menu? Of course. What do you recommend? Our grilled chicken is one of our most popular dishes. I'll have that. Excellent choice. Thank you. You're very welcome. That's how restaurant staff naturally speak in English. Pronunciation practice. Let's practice 5 important customer service phrases. Repeat after me. How may I help you today? I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Let me check that for you. I appreciate your patience. Have a wonderful day. Excellent! The more you repeat these phrases aloud, the more confident and natural you'll sound when speaking English. Customer Service English, Easy English Conversation for Beginners, Part 3. Now, let's practice one complete conversation. Hello, I'm looking for a phone charger. Certainly. What type of phone do you have? An iPhone. Great! This charger is compatible with your phone. How much is it? It's $25 and it comes with a 1-year warranty. I'll take it. Excellent! Would you like to pay by cash or card? Card, please. Perfect! Thank you for your purchase. Have a wonderful day. Quick review. Remember these 5 useful phrases. How can I help you today? Let me check that for you. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you for your patience. Have a wonderful day. Practice these sentences every day and you'll sound more confident in customer service situations. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mr. English Pro, and turn on notifications for more easy English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!